the honor to present a letter of credence which the President of the Federal Republic of Germany has addressed to you, to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the Federal Republic of Germany to the Republic of Fiji. And I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Thank you, sir. Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials and a letter of recall of your predecessor. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the government, and the people of the Federal Republic of Germany our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity. Congratulations, Your Excellency, Ambassador, and welcome to Fiji.
Thank you.
You must have brought the good weather with you, sir,
Yeah.
because we've had a lot of rain over the last couple of days.
I recognized when I came. Yeah.
Welcome
today it's beautiful.
Welcome to Fiji, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.